So the people are not aware what NFT is. This is nothing. This is
know about the placement process, how actually this thing will work. So one of the best part, guys, we have a dedicated placement coordinator or a placement team aligned to you from day one of the bootcamp itself, right? So along with your learnings, along with your skill upgradation, we will be aligning a dedicated placement team with you. So along with your learning, there will be a dedicated team which will help you with the resume building exercise. So there will be a dedicated team so which will be helping you with like what keywords, what tools, what languages you should be adding in your resume. So resume building will be completely taken care from our end. Second part is about mock interviews. So there will be a dedicated team which will help you with the interview practices, like what kind of questions, what kind of things they will be asking in interview. So resume building, mock interviews, both part will be covered from a dedicated team. Then there will be third will be industry expert session. So there will be a dedicated team which will conduct your industry expert sessions. Like for example, you want to know which career path you should select, or you want to know which how you will be going ahead with your career. So industry expert, like we will be bringing up some people having 15 to 20 years of experience from the similar field. So these kind of people will be taking up your industry expert session so that you can get the better clarity about your future. Plus, not only this, along with this, you will be getting your learnings and everything. Along with that, you will be getting your preparation for your interview or preparation for your job. Along with that, it will be our responsibility to arrange your interviews as well, to set up your interview schedules as well. So the only part which you will be doing that is clearing the interview. So you can take in this way. It will be our responsibility to upskill you. It will be our responsibility to train you. It will be our responsibility to prepare you for the job. It will be our responsibility to arrange your interviews or take you to the interviewer's gate. The only part which you will be doing that is clearing the interview. Rest everything you can just leave on coding ninjas. It will be our responsibility. Right. So this way all the things gonna work. And one more thing, we will continue with the placement process until you get your first job. So for the placements, you don't need to worry about. Talking about what is job bootcamp. So, and why we call it as a boot camp, not as a course. So, again, talking about this. So, as I have mentioned, this is not a traditional or a theoretical kind of course like your universities or schools. This will be a complete practical based learning where you will be going for different projects, assignments, case study. Plus, this will be focused, personalized, community driven, and industry ready boot camp. So, this is the reason why we call it as a boot camp, not as a course, and why we call it as a job boot camp. So the main motive, the main goal of this boot camp is to land you into your dream job. So this is the reason why we call it as a boot camp, not as a job boot camp, not as a normal boot camp, right? So any doubts, any concerns, any questions, guys, please feel free to drop over the chat and Q&A. Moving ahead with three pillars of bootcamp. So one of the best thing, one is your upskilling. So it will be our responsibility to train you, to teach you all the things, right? It will be completely on us. Then second point is your interview preparation. So it will be our responsibility to prepare you for the job, your resume, your profiles, your GitHub, everything will be our responsibility. And third is your access to companies. Like it will be our responsibility to take you to the interviewer's gate also. The only part which you are doing that is clearing the interview. Rest everything you can leave on coding. Plus, moving ahead with impact of job bootcamp, 100% live classes for data analytics, flexible classes or self-paced classes for full stack web development, 1200 plus hiring companies, 300 plus monthly job opportunities, 68% of students placed with 2x of their current salary or 2x of salary hike in CTC. Then talking about placement assistance until you get your first job, 128% as an average salary hike. So again, the one of the best part, we have complete proven records with all the data available to check, right? So getting a job and everything is very easy. And learning is also flexible so that you can get according to your choice, according to your availability. Moving ahead with impact of job bootcamp, like these are few names which we have mentioned here, right? So if I talk about, the list is completely endless. If you want to see the endless list, you can visit our Instagram page, you can visit the Coding Ninjas website, you can visit LinkedIn page of Coding Ninjas. So you will be able to see the complete data. But these are few names which we have mentioned here, like Utkarsh Salunke, data scientist, Divyanshu Khandelwal, strategy analyst, Srinivasan as a engineer trainee, Kashish Arora as an associate analyst. So these are few students who got the placement from our end. But again, as I have mentioned, the list is completely endless. Britesh Kumar as a software engineer, Gauri as senior software developer, Surya as a software engineer, Sandeep as a SDO. Right. So list is completely endless, but these are few glimpses which we have kept here. These are few companies where our in last quarter our placement has been done. That is Swiggy, Shadi.com, Nielsen, Tata Technology, Motherson, Spark Plus, and many more. So these are only few names which we have kept here, but the list is completely endless, guys. So before moving ahead, let me take a few questions. Khushbu is saying, I don't know, I don't which career path for me. I'm working but want to change my career. So Khushbu, stay connected. Like we will guide you. And one of the best thing you can select data analyst as well as full stack development, any of the career, because we're gonna teach you everything from the basic. So Nitin is asking difference between the salary packages of data analytics and full stack web development. So Nitin, both are providing you the best market salaries into the current scenario, right? For coming 10 to 15 years, any of the field you can select will provide you the best salaries. Nazia is saying, I am currently working and I have very much known to see SQL and Excel. I want to skill up and want to job it. So Nazia, one of the best thing, if you know already SQL, if you know Python, so you can easily get your career very easy start and with a better salary. So stay connected. We will be talking about many people. I'm seeing like Harsh, Sagar. These people are asking how to join or what is the fee structure. How can you help me, right? Gurumeet, these people are asking for the fee structure. So stay connected, guys. Now we're gonna move ahead with the admission process and the scholarship seats, right? So stay connected, guys. So now we will be talking about the fee structure. So one of the best or one of the most flexible thing which we have, that is your fee structure only, right? So guys, initially you just need to register with 5,000 rupees. That can be done by credit card, debit card, net banking, any of the medium, whichever is flexible with you. So for that, we have 6 months of no cost EMI available. And along with it, we also have 9 months and 12 months of low cost EMI available for that. We have an option of student loan, education loan up to 36 months. So fees is completely flexible. You don't need to worry about. Along with the fees, one of the best thing which we have, guys, like for example, many students were asking like, can we have a demo class? Can you show me some sample lecture, right? So one of the best guys, we are completely confident on our curriculum. We are completely confident on our teachers. So we allow you to attend the classes for 7 days. Like we have a learning period. Like initially you will be registering and will be converting your fees into EMI. In initial 7 days, you will be attending the classes, you will be observing all the things. If you feel this is not your cup of tea, you can take the cancellation and your complete fees is 100% refundable in initial 7 days from batch start date. So if you feel this is not your cup of tea, if you feel the promises made were not true, so you can take the cancellation. So you can first of all experience the learning and then decide whether you want to do it or not. So you just need to register with 5,000, need to get your EMI process done. But after that, also, if you feel in initial 7 days from your batch start date, like this is not your cup of tea, take the cancellation and your complete amount will be refundable. And for example, if our faculties feel like that this is like we will not be able to get your placement done, or if our faculty feels you will not be able to do this, in that case also our faculty will be eliminating you from the batch and your complete fees will be refunded back to you. Correct. So after this, we're gonna talk about the complete fee structure and the scholarship, guys. Stay connected for the same. So complete fees for full stack development is only and only 2 lakh rupees, including each and everything. And for data analytics, it is only and only 1.5 lakh rupees, including each and everything, right? So guys, now we're gonna go ahead with the scholarships. Stay connected. So we have flat 10% scholarship available for full stack web development. That means your prices can be just brought down to 1,80,000, including each and everything. And for data analytics, your prices can be brought down to just at 1,35,000, including each and everything, guys. So this is the general scholarship available for everyone. But again, we have few seats available with more scholarship, guys. If you want to get that more scholarship for you, stay connected, because for that scholarship, only 15 seats are available, not more than that. Talking about more scholarship, so guys, we have flat 50,000 of scholarship available for full stack web development. That means your final prices can be just brought down to 1,50,000, including each and everything, guys, right? So for full stack web development, we have scholarship up to 50,000. And for data analytics, we have scholarship available up to 25,000 rupees. That means your final prices can be brought down to just at 1,25,000, including each and everything. Right. So these are only 15 seats available for 50,000 and 25,000 of scholarship. This scholarship will not be offered for everyone. So if you want to get this scholarship, start sharing your name and numbers over the chat and Q&A. So the people who will be sharing earlier will be getting that scholarship, or else you will be missing out on the opportunity for the scholarship. If you want to get that 50,000 and 25,000 of scholarships, start sharing your name and numbers over the chat and Q&A. And the best part is your name and numbers are completely secure, because this will be only visible to Coding Ninja's team. No other can see your name and numbers. So start sharing your name and numbers as soon as possible, guys. So we have already received 7 numbers with us. So be fast, guys, or else you will be missing out on the opportunity for the scholarship. Meantime, I will be taking a few questions, so you can start sharing your name. Like, you can continuously share your name and number so that you are not missing out on the opportunity. So Vidang is asking, will get a certificate after the completion. Of course, yes, Vidang, as I have mentioned, like, you will be getting a proper certificate which is completely approved with NSDC, also National Skill Development Corporation. Subhashish is saying, during my Python full stack, I have learned Python, SQL, and machine learning fundamentals in backend. Great, Subhashish. So we will be teaching you other thing in front end. Then we will be teaching you, Subhashish, like system design, DSA, all the things, and we will be getting your job done very easily. So Subhashish, that is great. That is an additional thing which you already have with you. So guys, we have already moved to 21 numbers with us, and only initial 15 students will get that scholarship. So be or